Hello friends, today I have with me a video on the nitrogen cycle. So first let's understand what is the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a biogeochemical process through which nitrogen is converted into many forms, consecutively passing from the atmosphere to the soil, to organism and back into the atmosphere. It involves several processes such as nitrogen fixation, nitrification, denitrification and ammonification. Nitrogen undergoes various types of transformation to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. Furthermore, this process extends to various biomes, with the marine nitrogen cycle being one of the most complicated biogeochemical cycles. So now let's start with the different steps of nitrogen cycle, the first being nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation is the process in which the nitrogen gas is converted into inorganic nitrogen compounds accomplished by certain bacteria and blue-green algae. A much smaller amount of free nitrogen is fixed by abiotic means, example lighting, ultraviolet radiation and electrical equipment. The next step is nitrification. In this process, the ammonia is converted into nitrate by the presence of bacteria in the soil. Nitrites are formed by the oxidation of ammonia with the help of Nitrosomonas bacterium species. Later, the produced nitrites are converted into nitrates by Nitrobacter. The next step is assimilation. Nitrates and ammonia resulting from nitrogen fixation are assimilated into the specific tissue compounds of algae and higher plants. Animals then ingest these algae and plants, converting them into their own body compounds. The next step is ammonification. When plants or animals die, the nitrogen present in the organic matter is released back into the soil. The decomposers, namely bacteria or fungi present in the soil, convert the organic matter back into ammonium. This process of decomposition produces ammonia, which is further used for other biological processes. The last step of the nitrogen cycle is denitrification. This refers to the change via denitrifying bacteria of nitrate to gaseous forms of nitrogen such as nitrogen gas or nitrous oxide. The process is rapid and large amounts of N2 are lost from the soil system and end up in the atmosphere. This typically happens when there is a lack of oxygen in the soil. For instance, when the soil is too wet. As a result, soil dries out and denitrification ceases. Now let's understand the importance of the nitrogen cycle. It helps plants to synthesize chlorophyll from the nitrogen compounds. It helps in converting inert nitrogen gas into a usable form for the plants through the biochemical process. In the process of ammonification, the bacteria help in decomposing the animal and plant matter, which indirectly helps to clean up the environment. Nitrates and nitrites are released into the soil, which helps in enriching the soil with the necessary nutrients required for cultivation. Lastly, nitrogen is an integral component of the cell and it forms many crucial compounds and important biomolecules. Thanks for watching.